Hello. Now we're going to look at boards. Boards is a collection of reports, text, images, or videos to help you visualize your most important metrics in just one glance. In order to find some of the most important boards available in your project, simply go to the search bar in the center of your screen and type in a word to look for a board related to that keyword. Or navigate to the Discover section and select Boards in types of reports and look for a specific board created by someone on your team. You can also go ahead and create a brand new board by clicking on Plus New Board. This will give you two options. It will allow you to create a board from scratch or use one of our templates. Templates is a really cool way to build off of some of the best practices that we have found working with companies across different industries. So let's pick an example. Let's say you wanted to look at feature launch. Start from a template, select a feature name. So this could be a certain campaign, specify a launch date, a new feature correlating to that campaign. So this could be product list filtering, and the value moment, which is the most critical event within your tracking, could be added in the feature value moment. Go ahead and create the board. And within seconds, Mixpanel will create a detailed analysis around the adoption of this new feature that you just launched. So it's going to look at the monthly active users, the DAU, WAU, and MAU trends for that campaign, the percentage of active users, and those who engage with that specific campaign, and so on and so forth. So this is a great way of building off of the existing templates within Mixpanel to create a board in seconds. What else can you do with a board? You can go ahead and share the board with people on your team by simply selecting either the people or the name of the team and deciding whether you want to give them either view or edit access. You can publish your board by giving access to everyone in the project, or you can even make a board public in case you want to give access to people outside of your organization domain. You can also simply copy the URL and share the URL to that board with someone who wants to consume this data. What else can you do with boards? You can subscribe to a person's board by clicking on favorite, or you can look at another person's board and apply certain filters to define it to the custom audience or the custom metric that is important to you. You can duplicate another person's board and customize it to your need. You can also create an email digest for your most important boards. Email digests allow you to distribute your boards on a recurring basis, either through email or Slack.